Hi, today I want to show you as many of the popular cruise items that I can within 60 seconds. So first off, the must-haves are fans. So I have 3 different fans to show you. The first one is the smaller one that I keep in the bathroom. It can hang up. The next one is the big portable one, and these are awesome. They can extend up, they telescope, they can oscillate. Yeah, plug into USB, they're awesome. And then the last one is the little portable fan that I just keep in my book bag. This is like a lifesaver. It has 2 different speeds, puts out a ton of air. It also is a an iPhone bank, plugs into USB, as well as has the compact. It's also a flashlight. So awesome little device. I also recommend bringing an extension cord if your cruise line allows it. Not all of them do. This is a 10-foot. I bring it with me everywhere because you never know how tough it is going to be to find an outlet because they don't often always have them by the beds. So yeah, bring this. Next thing is a tag. These are fantastic. You put your luggage tag in here, put it on, and you never have to worry about it getting ripped off and your luggage getting lost. The next one is a bag for those of you that like to purchase alcohol while on the trips. These bags, storage bags, are great for bringing back to make sure it doesn't spill out if it gets broken. Next one is just some cheap over-the-counter motion sickness pills. I always take half a pill every day just as a precaution and never have an issue. Next one are magnets. So the walls of your cabin are going to be magnetic. These magnets are great for holding things. Yeah, trust me, you want them. Next is a laundry bag, dirty laundry bag. This is a nice foldable one. It opens up and it's a drawstring bag. It's great for keeping your dirty clothes. Next are sprays. So Lysol, you know what the spray is, and Febreze. Febreze is great for spraying down things, and keeping your clothes fresh. So next, since the walls are magnets, I always bring photos of my family. So every time I'm cruising, I can always personalize my cabin walls with family photos. Next is just a generic bag that will have like your medicines. So bring like some cold medicine, some Tylenol, some Band-Aids, eye drops. It's just a good backup bag to have. Next are going to be your luggage bags. So these are your pack and seal bags, packing cubes. I use these. These are great to put your clothes in, keep it organized. Next is going to be the shampoo and conditioner. I always bring my own, even though the cruise line will have usually a generic shampoo and conditioner combo. I don't recommend those. I recommend bringing your own stuff in a little bottle. I always tape my caps just to make sure that when they're flying and the pressure doesn't cause them to leak. So I always tape up my caps. Another one is going to be a little travel sewing kit. Has little mini scissors, clippers, some Q-tips, safety pins. You never know when you're going to need this. And then last are swim shoes. I always put them in a Ziploc bag. Bring Ziploc bags. You'll be surprised how much you use them. The swim shoes, highly recommend, because the worst thing you want to do is to cut your feet while you're swimming on a beach or something and mess up the rest of your cruise. So invest in some swim shoes. All right, that is my list of must-haves. They go everywhere with me. Hope that was helpful. Thanks and subscribe. Bye. Okay, obviously I did make it in 60 seconds, so this is going to end up being a longer video, but please watch. You'll find a lot of good tips. Thanks.